This is pure math exit exam review. Question number 1. What is the solution of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0? So here you should write a equal to 3, this is a, b equal to 6, c equal to 2. Now we should write the rule x equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now we will put the values one by one. Minus, what is b? b is 6, plus or minus square root b square means 6 square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into 3. Okay, minus 6 plus or minus square root 6 square is 6 into 6 means 36 minus 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24 divided by 3 into 2 6. Okay, now we have minus 6, no change, plus or minus square root 36 minus 24 is 12 divided by 6. Again we can simplify. Minus 6 plus or minus square root 12 we can write 4 into 3 divided by 6. Okay, again minus 6 plus or minus we know that square root of 4 is 2, the other 4 is 2, so you can take that 2 outside and 3 will not change, it is still inside the square root divided by 6. Now we can take 2 outside because you have 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. So you are taking a 2 on the numerator. So we have minus 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 6. See, from 6 when you take 2 outside it is minus 3. You know that 2 into minus 3 will give you minus 6. 2 into root 3 will give you 2 root 3 divided by 6. Now 2 and 6 will cancel. Answer is 3. So finally minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 3. Question number 2. If f of x equal to 5x by x plus 3, g of x equal to x plus 2 by 2x, then we have to find f composition g of x. This small 0 is called composition. Okay, now we have to find f composition g of x. So how will you write? The first step is you should write f of gx. So I will remove this composition operator 0. It looks like 0. Okay, then you have to write f of gx. Now the next step is f of, what is gx? Gx is x plus 2 by 2x. So that you will write here, x plus 2 by 2x. Now you have to look at f of x. F of x means what? F of x is 5x by x plus 3. So f of x plus 2 by 2x means wherever you see x, you should change it as x plus 2 by 2x. So look here, 5 into, I will write a box, divided by, again another box, plus 3. Okay, so this is same like this one, 5x by x plus 3. But you should not write x. What you should write? You should write this, x plus 2 by 2x. So I will write x plus 2 by 2x. Here also same, x plus 2 by 2x. Okay, now you have to multiply. So this is same as 5 into x plus 2 by 2x, no change, divided by x plus 2 by 2x plus 3. Okay, now what we will write? On the top there is no change, 5 into x plus 2 by 2x divided by this. You have to cross multiply, so you should write 3 into 2x. So x plus 2, there is no change, plus here you can write 3 by 1, then 1 into x plus 2 is same x plus 2. Now 3 into 2x is 6x. 3 into 2x will give you 6x divided by what? Divided by same 2x. Now what will happen? This 2x and this 2x will cancel, and we have 5 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 6x is 7x. So you will write 7x plus 2. If you want, you can multiply this inside. 5 into x is 5x plus 5 into 2 is 10 divided by 7x plus 2. That's all. Question number 3. In a geometric sequence, A3 means third term is 125 and A5 means fifth term is 3125. What is the common ratio? Okay, I will write the geometric sequence. See, this is the geometric sequence: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, etc. It's going. Now in this, what is the common ratio? Common ratio is equal to A2 by A1. Any number divided by the number before will give you the common ratio. Okay, so I can even write, if you want, I can write A3 by A2. It's all same. A4 by A3 or A5 by A4. All these are same. The letter for common ratio is R. Okay, now how will you find? We have A3 and A5, but we don't have A4. So that is a problem. You cannot find the common ratio directly. Now look here. If you have A3, A4, A5, these three are in geometric sequence, then we have a rule. A4 square is equal to A3 into A5. Okay. Now we have the value of A3 125, we have the value of A5 3125. So now we can find the answer. 125 into 3125 is what? 390625. So this is equal to 390625. So we have A4 square equal to 390625. So how will you find A4? A4 is square root of 390625. So what is the square root of that? Square root of is 625. So we have the answer A4 equal to 625. Now how will you find common ratio? Now we can find the common ratio. Common ratio R equal to A4 by A3, because we know the value of A4 and A3. So this is 625 divided by, what is A3? A3 in the question is 125. So we will write 125. Now what is 625 by 125? 625 divided by 125 will give you 5. So the common ratio is 5. Question number 4. Simplify this expression. So we know the rule: a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay, the base should be the same. If this is a here, then this also should be a. Then the powers you have to subtract: a power m minus n. So here we can find that the base is the same. Here also e and here also e. So you can use the same rule: e power minus 4x plus 5y minus, after minus you have to put bracket because you have two terms here. So this is 6x minus 3y equal to e power minus 4x plus 5y. Now open the bracket here. Minus into 6x minus 6x minus into minus plus 3y. Okay, e power minus 6x minus 6y minus 6x minus 4x is minus 10x. You have plus 5y and plus 3y. This will give you 8y. So minus 4x minus 6x, both are minus. So 4 plus 6 is 10, so minus 10x. 5y plus 3y is 8y. So this is the answer. Question number 5. Find the angle A in a triangle if angle B is 45 degree and sides A equal to 7 centimeter and B equal to 12 centimeter. So this is triangle ABC. Now in this triangle we have to find angle A, Zawiya A. Angle B is given, angle B is 45 degree. So this is 45. Now side A means opposite to angle A, we have side A. Side A is 7 centimeter. Opposite to angle B, we have side B. Side B equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, we should find capital A. Capital A means Zawiya A, angle A. So here we use the sine rule. What is sine rule? A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. These are sides. Small a, small b, small c are sides, and capital A, capital B, capital C are angles. Now we will put the values one by one. What is the value of A? A is 7 divided by sine capital A. Capital A we don't know. This is what we have to find. What is small b? Small b is 12 divided by sine capital B is 45. So we will put the value 45. We don't need this C by sine C. We need only these two. So we are choosing only the first and second expression. Okay. Now what we do here is we will cross multiply. Okay. Cross multiply. So here and here. So 7 into sine 45 equal to 12 into sine A. Okay. Now 12 will come down. So 7 into sine 45 divided by 12 equal to sine capital A. Now this value is from the calculator. How will you find? 7 into sine 45 close bracket divided by 12. What is the answer? You have to press SD. So 0.412. Okay. Now if you want capital A, what you have to do is you have to take sine inverse, sine power minus 1. That is called sine inverse. Sine inverse of 0.412. How will you find? Shift sine, then you have sine inverse 0.412 close bracket. Answer is 24.33. So angle A equal to 24.33 degree. Question number 6. Let theta be the acute angle. What is acute angle? If angle is less than 90, it is called acute angle. Okay. Zawiya tehat tisain will be called acute angle of a right triangle. What is right triangle? A triangle with one angle 90 degree. Okay. Right angle means 90 degree angle. Okay. This is a triangle with one angle 90 degree. So this is the acute angle. This angle is smaller than 90. Okay, smaller than 90 is called acute angle. Now what is given? Its opposite side is 5 centimeter. Opposite, muqabil, is 5 centimeter. So this is 5. And adjacent side, adjacent means ugyavar. So this is theta, ugyavar, adjacent side is 8 centimeter. Okay, then what is the value of cot theta? Okay, cot theta. Cot theta, the rule is adjacent side by opposite side. Mugyawar ala muqabil. So adjacent side is 8 and opposite side is 5. That's all. Question number 7. Find the third term in the sequence with a1 equal to 10. a1 means first term. And an, the general term, is an equal to an minus 1 plus 2n. Okay. Third term means you have to find a3. Okay. We have a1 equal to 10. That is the first term. Okay. Now the rule is an equal to an minus 1 plus 2n. So first we will find a2. What is a2? So we have to put n as 2. So a2 minus 1 plus 2 into 2. So a2 minus 1 means a1. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4. What is a1? a1 is already given. We have 10. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. So we have a2 equal to 14. Now I want a3. So in this rule I will put n equal to 3. So what will come? a2 minus 1. n minus 1 means 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 plus 2 into 3. We have to change n as 3 everywhere. So here n equal to 3 and here also n equal to 3. Here also n equal to 3. Okay, this is a, what is 3 minus 1? 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Now what is the value of a2? a2 we already have 14. So 14 plus 6 equal to 20. So what is a3? The third term, 20. Third term means a3 and a3 is 20. So this is the answer. Question number 8. Find 7 cosec theta into 8 cos theta. Okay, we have two numbers here, 7 and 8. So 7 into 8 is 56. Okay, so again we have cosec theta and cos theta. We know the rule for cosec. Cosec theta is 1 divided by sine theta. Okay, 56 into cosec theta is 1 by sine theta into cos theta. So 56 is there. 1 into cos theta is cos theta divided by sine theta. So what is cos theta by sine theta? We have cot theta. Cos theta by sine theta. The rule is cot theta. So here answer is 56 cot theta. Question number 9. We have f of x, g of x and h of x. We have to find the value of f of 1 plus g of 4 plus h of 2. So we will find f of 1 first. What is f of 1? We have to change the value of x as 1. So 3 into 1 minus 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we should find g4. g4. So you have to look at g. Change x to 4. So equal to 3 plus 2 into 4. This x will be changed to 4. Equal to 3 plus 8 equal to 11. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Now we have to find h of 2. h of 2. So we have to look at h. Change x to 2. So 2 square minus 1. See here, x square minus 1 means 2 square minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Now we have to find f1 plus g4 plus h2. What is f1? 2. What is g4? 11 plus 3. So 2 plus 11 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Question number 10. Find the value of this expression. Here we can see that we have sine and sine inverse. So sine and sine inverse together, if it comes, it just cancel. And you have only 0.6642, just the number. Plus here also cos and cos inverse will cancel and you have 0.4852. So just you have to add the numbers using calculator. So 0.6642 plus 0.4852. So the answer is 1.1494. That's all. Question number 11. Find side C in a triangle ABC if angle A equal to 67, angle C equal to 48 and side B equal to 22. Okay, here we have the triangle ABC. In that, angle A is 67, angle C is 48. We don't know the value of angle B. So if we have two angles, then how will you find other angle? Angle B equal to 180 minus 67 minus 48. This is 65. So we have now angle B. This is 65. We know that total of all the angles in a triangle is 180. Okay. Now we want side C. What is side C? This is side C. This is side A. This is side B. Opposite to angle A, you have side A. Opposite to angle C, you have side C. Opposite to angle B, you have side B. Side means cut. Okay. Now we will take the sine rule. What is sine rule? A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to small c by sine capital C. I am taking these two groups because I want the value of C. I don't want any of these. Okay, we have to calculate C only. Okay, I am taking B by, I am writing again sine B equal to small c by sine capital C. Okay, now we will put the values one by one. What is small b? In the question it is there. Small b is 22. Okay, so 22 divided by sine capital B. What is capital B? Capital B is 65. We have capital B is 65. So 65 equal to small c, we don't know. That is what we have to find out. Divided by sine. What is capital C? Capital C is 48. Okay. Now, how will you find C? You just have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means like this only we will cross multiply. So this sine 48 will come to the left up. That means 22 into, now the sine 48 is down. When it comes to the left, it will go up. Into sine 48 divided by sine 65 equal to small c. So now we will use the calculator to find out this. So open the calculator. Okay, what is the value? 22 into sine 48 close bracket divided by sine 65 close bracket. That is 18.04. I can write 04 because this is 9 means more than 5. So 18.04 4 centimeter equal to small c. That's all. Question number 12. In an arithmetic sequence, first term a1 is 5 and common difference is 3. What is the sum of first 12 terms? Okay, we have the first term a1 is 5 and common difference, the letter is d, equal to 3. So this is an arithmetic sequence. What is the sum? Sum yani gamma. Sum of first 12 terms. 12 terms means n equal to 12. Now what is the rule for sum? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the rule for sum. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of first 12 terms. That means n is 12 equal to 12 by 2 because n is 12. Open bracket. 2 into, what is a1? a1 is 5 plus n is 12. 12 minus 1 into, what is d? d is 3 close bracket equal to 12 by 2 is 6 bracket. 2 into 5 is 10. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 3 equal to 6 into 10 plus 33. So 6 into 33 plus 10 is 43. So equal to 6 into 43. 6 into 43. Answer is 258. So the sum of 12 terms is 258. Question number 13. Find the number of ways 15 books can be arranged in a shelf taking 5 at a time. So here we are using the word arranged. Whenever arranged word comes, it is always permutation. So here the answer is 15p5. So how will you find the permutation of 15p5? Open the calculator. You have to press 15, then shift and into, then 5. The answer is 360,360. So here the answer is 360,360. Now where will you see this symbol? See, look here. You have to press shift, then on the top of into you can see NPR. Okay, NPR it is written. So N is 15 here and R is 5. So what we have to do is 15, then shift into, you can see NPR here, then 5 and then equal to. Okay. Question number 14. If sin x equal to 0.3472, find the value of 6 plus 2 sin x plus 12 pi. So here we have a rule. Sin theta plus 2n pi is equal to sin theta. Sin is a periodic function. So along with theta, if you add an even multiple of pi, why even, Zogi? Even multiple means 2n. 2n is always an even number because you have 2 there. So even multiple of pi will give you the same value. Okay, so here we have, in the question we have sin x plus 12 pi. See, 12 is an even number. Okay, it is a multiple of 2. So this will be same as sin x. And what is sin x here? 0.3472. 0.3472. So what is the question? 6 plus 2 sin x plus 12 pi. The answer is 6 plus 2 into, this will be same as 0.3472. 0.3472. Now we will use calculator. 2 into 0.3472 plus 6. So the answer is 6.6944. Question number 15. Solve the equation 25 power 8x minus 1 equal to 125 power x plus 6. We know that 25 is 5 power 2 and 125 is 5 power 3. And 5 into 5 into 5. This is 5 into 5. So we will write 25 as 5 power 2 power 8x minus 1 equal to 125. You will write 5 power 3 then power x plus 6. Now you open the bracket. Open the bracket means 2 multiply 8x minus 2 multiply 1. So 5 power 2 into 8x 16x minus 2 into 1 2 equal to 5 power 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 6 18. Now the base is the same. Here also 5, here also 5. So we can remove the base and write 16x minus 2 equal to 3x plus 18. Now I have to bring all the x to one side. So 16x is here. Then 3x will come to the left. It will become minus 3x equal to 18 is already here. Minus 2 will come to the right side. It will become plus 2. So 16 minus 3 is 13x equal to 18 plus 2, 20. So what is x now? 20 divided by 13. Question number 16. What is the inverse of the function f of x equal to 2 by 3x plus 1? Inverse. Inverse means you should find f inverse x. So f power minus 1 is called f inverse x. So how will you do it? This we have to do in 4 steps. What is step 1? Change f of x to y. You have f of x here. Just write y equal to 2 by 3x plus 1. So step 1 is very easy. Just change f of x to y. Now step 2. You should change x to y and y to x. So wherever you see y, you have to write x equal to, wherever you see x, you should write y plus 1. Okay, step 2 is finished. Now step 3. Step 3 means write y in terms of x. See here in this step 2, you have written x equal to an expression in y. Now you have to write y equal to expression in x. That means you should keep only y on one side and all other things on the other side. Okay, let us take x equal to 2 by 3 y plus 1. Take this plus 1 to the other side. So it will become x minus 1 equal to 2 by 3 y. Okay, now I have to take this 3 and 2 to the other side. So I am putting x minus 1 in bracket. When 3 goes to the left, it will go up and 2 will come down. So 3 goes up and 2 comes down into x minus 1 equal to y. Now you see only y on one side. So you have written y in terms of x. Now step 4. Change y to f inverse x. So 3 by 2 into x minus 1 equal to, what you have to do? Just write y as f inverse x. So this is your answer. Inverse f inverse x equal to 3 by 2 x minus 1. Okay, you can write in this way also. F of x, f inverse x equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 1. Question number 17. What is the x-intercept of the function f of x equal to 7 by 9 x minus 3? We know that f of x can be always written as y. So we will write y equal to 7 by 9 x minus 3. Now if you want x-intercept, you should put y equal to 0. So I am putting y equal to 0. 0 equal to 7 by 9 x minus 3. Now this minus 3 will come to the left. So it will become plus 3 equal to 7 by 9 x. Now if I want x, I will cross multiply. So 9 will come up and 7 will come down. So you have 3 already. 9 will come up and 7 will come down. So the answer is x equal to 3 into 9 by 7. 3 into 9 is 27 divided by 7 equal to x. So this is the x-intercept. Question number 18. Find the value of 5 sine theta if cosec theta equal to 4.5. Now 5 sine theta equal to 5 into, what is the rule for sine theta? Sine theta, the rule is 1 by cosec theta equal to 5 into 1 divided by, what is cosec theta? It's already given, 4.5. So the answer is 5 into 1 is 5. 5 by 4.5. So we will use calculator. 5 divided by 4.5. Answer is 1.111. Question number 19. The initial mass of an iodine isotope was 363 gram. After 12 days, the mass reduces to 90.75 gram. What is the half-life period of the isotope? Okay, in this question we should remember a rule. The rule is A equal to A0 into 2 power minus T by H. Now what is this A0, T and H? A0 is called the initial mass. What is the initial mass? 363. So 363. After 12 days, means 12 days is the time. T equal to 12 days. We need the time in hours. So 12 into 24 equal to 288 hours. Okay. Now the mass reduces to, the final mass is 90.75. So A is the final mass. So 90.75. What is the half-life period? So the only unknown left is H. So H is what you have to find. Okay, we will put the values one by one. What is A? A is 90.75 equal to, what is A0? 363 into 2 power minus, what is T? 288. 288 divided by H. Okay, now this 363 will come down. So 90.75 divided by 363 equal to 2 power minus 288 by H. Now we will calculate 90.75 by 363. So 90.75 divided by 363. The answer is 0.25. So 0.25 equal to 0.25 equal to 2 power minus 288 by H. Now I want to find H. So H should be bringing, we have to bring H down. So the only method is take logarithm. Logarithm on both sides. So what will happen? Log 0.25 equal to log 2 power minus 288 by H. Now we have a rule, log A power M equal to M into log A. So if you have power here, by rule of logarithm, power will come in the beginning. So M into log A. So this is the power. So this power as it is will come here. So what will come now? Log, left side there is no change, log 0.25 equal to, this full thing will come down. So minus 288 divided by H into log 2. Now I want to find the value of H. So we have to cross multiply. So H should come to the left up and this will come down. So H equal to minus 288 into log 2 divided by log 0.25. Okay, we will use calculator to find this. So minus 288 into log 2 close bracket divided by log 0.25 close. The answer is 145. So 144. So here it is 144 hours. So the half-life H is 144 hours. Question number 20. The vertex of the parabola f of x equal to minus x minus 4 whole square plus 6. Okay, this is the general form of the equation of a parabola. F of x equal to minus x minus h square plus k. If this is the form, then the vertex is h comma k. So where is h? H is now 4, and what is k? K is 6. So here we have h is 4 and here k is 6. So the vertex is 4 comma 6. Now how will you find this vertex from the picture? Okay, you have to go to Desmos graph. Open Desmos graph. Here you have to type the equation. Okay, minus x minus 4, then power you have to put this symbol, power 2, minus, sorry, it is plus 6. So if this is the equation, you can see that this is the vertex. This turning point is the vertex. So if you click here, what is the number? 4 comma 6. See, x is 4 and y is 6. So 4 comma 6 is the vertex. So this point is called vertex, and this shape is called parabola. Question number 21. In an arithmetic sequence a1, a2, a3, etc. an, the first term is a1 equal to 5. So the first term a1 is 5. And the 15th term a15, 15th number is 173. What is the value of S16? S16 means sum of 16 terms. Sum of first 16 terms. Okay. So we will use the rule for arithmetic sequence. So here the nth term an is a1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is the first rule. So we will write n equal to 15. So a15 equal to a1. What is a1? 5 plus n is 15. So 15 minus 1 d. What is a15? It's already there, 173. So 173 equal to 5 plus 14d. 15 minus 1, 14. Okay, I want d. D is the common difference. So 173 minus 5. 5 will come to the left. So minus 5 equal to 14d. So 168 equal to 14d. So what is d now? If you want to find d, 14 should go down. So 168 divided by 14, that is 12. So d is 12. The common difference d is now 12. Now what we need is S16. S16 means sum of 16 terms. The rule is, what is the rule for Sn? N by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the rule. So if you want to find S16, you have to put n as 16. So what is S16? 16 by 2 into 2 into a1. What is a1? A1 we are already given in the question. A1 is 5. So a1 is 5 plus n minus 1. N is 16. 16 minus 1 into d. D is 12. We already got it. Okay. 16 by 2 is 8. 2 into 5, 10. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into 12. So here 8 into 10 plus 15 into 12, 180. So now equal to 8 into 180 plus 10, 190. And 190 into 8 is 1520. So here you should remember two rules. One is the rule for nth term, an equal to a1 plus n minus 1d. Another rule is sum of n terms, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1d. Question number 22. In the sequence a1, a2, etc. an, the nth term is an equal to 5 into 7 power n minus 2. We want to find the sixth term. So an is already there, 5 into 7 power n minus 2. So I want the sixth term, means I have to change n to 6. 5 into 7 power 6 minus 2. That means 5 into 7 power 6 minus 2 is 4. So we will use the calculator. 5 into 7 power 4. Answer is 12005. Question number 23. How many ways a team of 10 players be chosen from a group of 20 players? Here we are using the word choose. Then this is a problem of combination. The rule is NCR. How many we have in total? 20 players are there. Combination. How many players we need in each team? 10. So 20C10. We have to use the calculator. 20 shift then divide 10. The answer is 184756. You can see that you can see just above divide, you can see NCR written, and if it is permutation you have to use NPR. This question we have to use combination because you are choosing. If you are choosing, then it is combination. If it is arrange, then it is permutation P. Question number 24. What is the domain of the function f of x equal to 4x square plus 3 by x plus 2? Here the domain is r minus 2. How you will get it? See, we have to check what value of x will make the denominator 0. That means we will take x plus 2 equal to 0. So what is x? X equal to plus 2 will go to the other side, minus 2. So f of x, x can accept any value, but you cannot take the value minus 2, because if you put x equal to minus 2 here, it will become minus 2 plus 2. So this will become 0. That means the denominator maqam will be 0. That means it is not acceptable. So you can accept any real number, but don't take the value minus 2. Question number 25. What is the domain of the sine function? Sine function. Here for the sine function, the domain is the set of all real numbers. So sine function can accept any real number. If it is sine theta, theta can accept any real number. So the domain will be real number r itself. Question number 26. What is the median of these numbers? So we have to find the median. The first job is to write these numbers in order, means from smallest to largest. So we will write these numbers. The numbers are 15, 18, 22, 25, then 28, 32, 34, 37, 40 and 46. So we have written the numbers in order from small up to big. Then you have to choose the numbers in the middle. So 28 and 32 are the two numbers in the middle. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So these numbers are in the middle. So now the median is 28 plus 32 divided by 2. That is 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. So 30 is the median. Question number 27. What is the remainder of division? When you divide this polynomial with this, what will be the remainder? So let p of x be the polynomial. 4x power 3 minus 5x power 2 plus 3x plus 4. To find the remainder, what you have to do is p of 2 you have to find out. So if you are dividing with x minus 2, you should take plus 2 only here. So p of 2, that means replace all x with 2, change x to 2. So 4 into 2 power 3 minus 5 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 4. 2 cube is 8. 4 into 8, 32. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 into 5, 20. Plus this is 6 plus 4. So the answer is 22. So the remainder is 22. Question number 28. What is the mean of the following frequency distribution? So you have to find the mean. So this is very easy. Mean equal to, you have to multiply 15 into 6 plus 20 into 12 plus 23 into 10 plus 30 into 3 whole divided by 6 plus 12 plus 10 plus 3. This is x and this is f. So you have to multiply x and f. So the rule is sigma x into f divided by sigma f. So multiply each x with f, then total it. Sigma means total, divided by total of frequency. That means you have to add all the f's. So mean equal to 15 into x, 20 into 12, 23 into 10, 30 into 3. All you have to add divided by this. So this is equal to 650 divided by 31. The answer is 20.97. Question number 29. The intervals where the function f of x equal to minus 3x square plus 12x plus 1 is increasing or decreasing. So we have to find the interval. So what is this interval and how will you find whether increasing or decreasing? So first we should write the value of a, b and c. What is a? Minus 3. The coefficient of x square, the number before x square, that is minus 3. B is 12 and C is 1. Now the rule is, if A is less than 0, then the function increases in the interval minus infinity h, and the function decreases in the interval h comma plus infinity. Okay, so what is this h? The rule for h is minus b by 2a. So minus 12 divided by 2 into, what is a? Minus 3. So minus 12 divided by minus 6. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. So minus minus will cancel, 12, 6 will cancel, the answer is 2. So we can write the increasing interval is minus infinity 2 and the decreasing interval is 2 infinity. Question number 30. Solve the equation 7 equal to 3 power 4x. Here we can find that x is in the power. So if the unknown, the variable that we have to find is in the power, then the only method is to take logarithm. So take log on both sides. So we have 7 equal to 3 power 4x. So we will write log 7 equal to log 3 power 4x. Now we know the rule, log a power m means m into log a. This power will come in the beginning. So m into log a. Same like that, log 7 equal to, this 4x is the power, so 4x will come here. So 4x into log 3. Now how to find x? We have log 7 here divided by 4 and log 3 will come down. So 4 into log 3. Now we will take the calculator. Log, here we have log 7 divided by bracket 4 into log 3, close bracket, 0.443. You can write 3 because this is 8 more than 5, so you can correct this to 3. So 0.443. Question number 31 is, identify the type of the diagram. So the simple question is, what is this picture called? This picture is called pie diagram, or you can also say pie chart. So when you see a circle and if it is divided into different sectors writing the percentage, then this is called a pie diagram or pie chart. That's all. In an arithmetic sequence a1, a2, etc. an, the first term is 5 and common difference is 7. You have to find the 20th term. So in the question it is given first term is 5. First term means a1. a1 is 5. Common difference is 7. Common difference, the letter is d. d equal to 7. You have to find the 20th term, that means n equal to 20. So what is the rule for nth term? an equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So you want a20. So 20th term, a20 is a1 plus 20 minus 1 into d, because n is 20, that's why we put n as 20. Now what is a1? 5 plus 20 minus 1 is what? 19 into what is d? 7. So we will use calculator. 19 into 7 plus 5 equal to 138. So the answer is 138. So the 20th term is 138. Find the value of 50 sin x into cosec x. So 50 sin x into cosec x is equal to 50 into, don't change sin x remains same. Now what is the rule for cosec x? Cosec x is 1 divided by sin x. We have the rule, cosec x is 1 by sin x. So I put that, cosec x changed to 1 by sin x. Now sin x and sin x will cancel. 50 into 1, the answer is 50. That's all. In this question, we have to find the quotient of division. Quotient. So how will you find? First you have to draw a big L, capital L like this. Okay. Then we will write the coefficients here. Coefficients means 1, minus 2, minus 17, 10. But before that you have to make sure that this is in order, tartib. Here power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0. Okay. Now if it is okay, we can write the coefficients. So I will write 1 here. Then after a space, minus 2. I will leave some space. Then minus 17. Then I will write 10. Now here you have x minus 5. So if it is minus 5, you will write plus 5 here. Just the opposite sign. Okay. So the numbers are ready now. Don't write any x here. Now just take this number and write down. So if it is 1, I will write 1. Now you will multiply this 5 into 1, 5 that 1, 5. Now you will add this gamma minus 2 plus 5. So minus 2 plus 5, your answer is 3. So I will write 3 here. Then I will multiply 5 into 3, that is 15. Then this I will add minus 17 plus 15. Minus 17 plus 15 is minus 2. So I will write minus 2. Now I will multiply 5 and minus 2. 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Now I will add this 10 plus minus 10. The answer is 0. So this is the remainder. 0 is the remainder. So now you have got 3 numbers, 1, 3 and minus 2. Now here you are dividing x power 3 with x power 1. So x power 3 by x power 1 will give you x power 3 minus 1, that is x power 2. So here we have to write with x now. So the quotient is you should write 1 x power 2 plus 3x minus 2. Also you can write, no need to write 1, just x square plus 3x minus 2. So how you got these numbers? Here it is 1, here it is 3 and here you have minus 2. In this question, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Simultaneously means together. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So this is our coin. This is called head and this is called tail. Okay, now 3 coins are tossed. So first let us assume that we got head. Then in the second we got head or tail. Third time we got head or tail. Here also maybe head or tail. Again we can start with tail. Maybe first time we got tail, then head or tail, then the third time head or tail. Here also head or tail. So now you have to write the sample space. What is sample space? Sample space is the list of all the outcomes. So it could be H, H, H. We will start with H, H, H. Then it could be H, H, T, H, H, T. Then H, T, H or H, T, T. Now from here if you start T, H, H. So it is T, H, H, T, H, T, 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 H or last T, T, T. So we have 8 events in total. Now what is the question? What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So probability of exactly 2 heads. Look here. Here how many events, how many outcomes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have total 8 outcomes. Out of that, where we have 2 heads exactly. Here you cannot count this because this is 3 heads. We will take this one, then this one and this one. Only 3. So here 2 heads, here 2 heads and here also 2 heads. Rest none of them have 2 heads and you cannot count this. So 3 by 8. So the probability of getting exactly 2 heads is 3 by 8. Find the angle A in a triangle if angle B equal to 26.55 and angle C equal to 50 degree. So we know that in any triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always 180. Now you want angle A. So angle A will be 180. This B and C will go to the other side. So it will be minus angle B minus angle C. So this is 180 minus 26.55 minus 50. So we will take the calculator. 180 minus 26.55 minus 50. The answer is, click this, 103.45. So the answer is 103.45 degree. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of getting an even number? So this is die, nard. So now the question is, only one die is rolled once. So what is the sample space? Sample space S equal to, we may get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That's all. Now we want the probability of getting an even number, Zaugi. So here 2, 4 and 6. So what is the probability of even number? Is, we have total 6 numbers. Out of this, 3 are even numbers, 2, 4 and 6. So 3 and 6 will cancel. Answer is 1/2 or 0.5. Log 5 is 1.6241. Log 7 is 1.8859. Find the value of log 7th root of 35. So how will you find this? So we need log, we have base b, 7th root of 35. Okay, we know that if you want 7th root of x, you can write x power 1/7. If it is cube root or third root of x, you can write x power 1/3. Okay, similarly we will write here log base b. So we have 35 power 1/7. Now we have the rule for log. Log a power m means the power will come in the beginning. So m into log a. So we have power here 1/7. So 1/7 will come in the beginning. So 1/7 into log 35 equal to 1/7 into log, what is 35? 35 is 5 into 7 equal to 1/7 into log. We know that log a into b is log a plus log b. So here we have base b and base b and base b. So log a into b is log a plus log b. So log 5 plus log 7 equal to 1/7 into, we know the value of log 5. What is that? 1.6241. So 1.6241 plus log 7 is 1.8859. So now we will use calculator. 1.6241 plus 1.8859 equal to this value divided by 7. So the answer is 0.50142,857. This is written in bracket because 142,857 keep on repeating. So it is 0.50142,857, 142,857, like that it will go. So we will take only the first two, 0.50. So the answer is equal to 0.50. Given the value of sin x equal to 0.68, find the value of tan x. So what is tan x? Tan x, the rule is sin x by cos x. So we have the rule for, we have the value for sin x. Now we will find the value of cos x. So what is cos x? Cos x is square root of 1 minus sin square x. That means square root of 1 minus 0.68 square. So we will use calculator. Square root of bracket 1 minus 0.68 square, close bracket. Answer is 0.733. So cos x is 0.733. So now what is tan x? Tan x equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x is 0.68 divided by 0.733. So we will find again 0.68 divided by 0.733. The answer is 0.928. I can write 928 because this number is more than 5. So 0.928 equal to 0.928. What are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 49? To find the zeros, what you have to do is put f of x equal to 0. So what we have, this f of x you have to put 0. That means 0 equal to x square minus 49. Or you can write x square minus 49 equal to 0. Now we know that 49 is 7 square. 7 into 7 is 49. So x square minus 7 square equal to 0. Now we know the rule, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this you can write x plus 7 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So if this product is 0, now you can write x plus 7 equal to 0 and x minus 7 equal to 0. So here you will get x equal to plus 7 will go to the other side, you will get minus 7, and here minus 7 will go to the other side, you will get plus 7. So the zeros are minus 7 and plus 7.